Hello everyone, we are back again with our phonics class. Now we will learn the sound of N. This is capital N and small n, and the sound of N is na. Sound of N is na, 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 na. So let's start. Nose. At first, nose. Na, na, nose. Na, na, nose. This is nurse. She is a nurse. So, na, na, nurse. Na, na, nurse. Nails. Our nails. Na, na, nails. Na, na, nails. Nuts. Nuts. We eat nuts and this is also very healthy for us. Na, na, nuts. Na, na, nuts. Net. This is a net. Na, na, net. Na, na, net. Nest. This is nest. Na, na, nest. Na, na, nest. So, let's repeat again. Na, 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 na. Capital N, small n, and in sound na. In sound na. N for nest, net, nose, nails, nuts. Na, na, nest. Na, na, net. Na, na, nose. Na, na, nails. Na, na, nuts. Now all of you read this, learn this and practice this. Bye bye everyone.